Hi, I'm Barry Mullins, Director of Technical Product Marketing for Jetson and Autonomous Machines at NVIDIA. We're honored that our Jetson Nano received the award for Best AI Processor. Today's Edge AI developers are facing challenges like the growing complexity of neural networks, the need for full software stack acceleration, and the ability to manage Edge AI systems and software at scale. Our GPU-accelerated platforms address these challenges using NVIDIA's world-class architecture to accelerate both today's and tomorrow's algorithms. Jetson Nano is a great example of this commitment to our developer community. It delivers the power of GPU acceleration in a small form factor system on module running on just 5 watts. Plus, it features a comprehensive software stack that makes Edge AI deployment on autonomous machines fast, reduces complexity, and speeds time to market. The Jetson Nano is part of a complete family of products that supports cloud-native capabilities like microservices, containers, and orchestration. This lets developers, makers, and educators quickly create, deploy, and manage their systems over the changing Edge AI landscape and the lifecycle of their products. Jetson is supported by a broad range of partners delivering sensors, hardware, software, and services to accelerate applications and the use of AI. Here you can see some great examples of what our community is doing with Jetson Nano. Thank you again for this award, and we look forward to seeing what you will create.